Hello, I am Professor Suchita Sharma from Department of CSIT Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. Today, I am going to discuss a very powerful topic of MS Word, that is mail merge, and it is useful in basic computer engineering for CSIT department for first semester students also. So, before we are going to start this topic, this is a very powerful tool which allow to create a personalized documents like letters, emails, labels, and many more things where you use this mail merging application. And for using this application, you have to need only two things that is one is the document on which you are performing that mail merging activity, and the other thing is that the list which can be prepared in the spreadsheet, MS Outlook, or any text file on which you are doing this mail merging activity with the help of these documents. So first we will go and open the document on which we are performing the mail merging activity. I have prepared one offer letter for the employees. Selected candidate for from a company. Then we will go and check the how mail merging activity will successfully done in this particular document. So I am going to open the MS Word document first. This is the MS Word document on which we are going to perform the mail merging activity. This is an offer letter where the company name is already given. We have to merge data of the selected candidates to whom these offer letter are going to mail. So here we have to enter the multiple names of selected candidates, their address and their email address. In the section of dear, we have to also mention the name of the selected candidate. For this purpose, I have already created the Excel spreadsheet where I have given the selected candidate's name, city, and email addresses, which we can use for the merging option. So both the documents are completely ready. MS Word document, which we are offering the offer letter for the selected candidates, and the list of the selected candidates is also prepared with us. So we can use this particular sheet in the MS Word document. So just go to MS Word document. We have to select the mailing option first to start the activity of mail merge. Select the tab mailing, and first of all we just click on start mail merge. After selecting Start Mail Merge, there are multiple options are showing letters, email message, envelopes, labels, and directories, and all of the activities can be used to mail merge activity. But first we have to because we are going to mail merging in the offer letter, so we have to select this particular document as letter. After selecting letter, this document can be set as a default document for letter. After that, we have to select recipients. Recipients means the person who will get this offer letter. So we have to select recipient. In this particular recipient, we can type a new list, use an existing list, or select from Outlook contact. Here I have already created a spreadsheet, so we can use the use existing list. In this use existing list, I will select list 2. I will browse the data and after browsing the data, the list 2 will be appear in the screen. And this is this is my spreadsheet which I am going to attach with the document. Here the select table in which sheet 1 is showing, and the first row of data contains column header. You have to remember that when you are going to prepare the spreadsheet, the first row of the data sheet should be treated as the column header in the mail merge. So you have to give the column heading for each of the row. Okay. So you please just click OK to merge this particular field in your document. Okay. After clicking OK, you have to just go to the If you want to edit the recipient list, you can click here. All the names and everything is appear here. If you want to remove any name from here, you just click on this checkbox. This will disappear. Or otherwise, if you want to check OK, then click on OK. इसके बाद now what you will do, insert merge field option. Insert merge field. In this particular field, you have you can see that what are the names are given in the spreadsheet. In the column, first column, it will show as a field. That is why that is the reason why you always give the column header while preparing the spreadsheet for the mail merge. You can select here name. You can press enter because you want to insert city in the next row. Now you can insert email address. These are your field. You can also select Mr. or Mrs. if you want to, or otherwise if you want to check, you don't want to select separately, so then you can also select both the option, type this, and after that name will appear. Whatever it will be concerned to that person, it will automatically selected. After selecting insert merge field, you can see the preview result. After you will see preview result, you can see the Miss Anukriti Joshi, Mr. Vivek Pal, Mr. Rahul Gupta, and all these documents will appear here. Here separately it is given Mr. and Mrs. So you don't need to put these things here. Now you are able to see all the documents in the preview result. You have given the 10 recipients list, 10 recipients in the list. So you are doing the same thing here. After preview the result, you just have to finish the merge. After clicking on finish the merge option, the three options will be given here: edit individual documents, print documents, send email messages. Edit individual documents means when you click on this particular thing, this will merge records as an individual record for all records. For current record which you are clicking on, from you can give the customized from 2 to 7 or from 3 to 9 persons you can give in this particular thing. If you press OK, then a separate document will be created with individual name. If you don't want to do it individually, then please cancel it. Print document will show the given data in the printout form, hard copy form. This will show the same thing as in the individual document, but the difference is that it will create in case of individual document, the separate document soft copy will be created. In the case of print records, it will give direct printout to the printer for printing the offer letter. Whatever you want to do with this, you can do it. I am showing you individual document because printing is a separate thing. Edit individual document. If you merge record all the records should be merged. If you want only current record, you can choose current record. If you want to choose specific records from 3rd to 8, or 3rd to 6, you can select 3rd to 6, and when you press OK, individual file will be created. Here I will create for all record. When I will press OK, separate document form is open with the individual name. 10 records will be generated for after mail merging. So this is the method how you can perform mail merging option very easily, very quickly, and you can use this method to perform any kind of mail merging activity. I think this video will be very helpful for the MS Word user who are suffering for multiple datasheet creation without mail merging. So thank you so much. And thank you. Thanks a lot.